Is your laptop running slow? Getting too many errors? Or do you want to make your computer feel like new again? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Windows laptop or computer step by step. It's very easy and anyone can do it. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Recovery. First, lock your computer. Now press and hold the Shift key, then click Restart. Keep holding the Shift key until the recovery screen appears. Please wait a few seconds. Step 2. Reset this PC. Now click on Troubleshoot. Then select Reset this PC. Here you'll see two options. The first option is Keep My Files. This will keep your personal files but remove apps and reset Windows. The second option is Remove Everything. This will erase all your files, apps, and settings and perform a complete factory reset. In this video, I'm selecting Remove Everything. Now the reset process will begin. Depending on your computer, this may take around 15 to 20 minutes or sometimes longer. Step 3. Windows Setup. Once the reset is complete, Windows Setup will start. Don't worry, it's a very easy process. Just follow the on-screen instructions. If you already have a Microsoft account, simply sign in. If you don't have one, click Create a new account. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Next, create a strong password. I recommend using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Continue following the setup steps until Windows finishes configuring your device. Congratulations! Your laptop is now factory reset and ready to use. It should feel much faster, cleaner, and just like a new computer. And that's it. This is how you can easily factory reset your Windows laptop or computer. If this video helped you, Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the FixFlow for more Windows tips, troubleshooting guides, and tech tutorials. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to help you.